Okay, this is the second part of our cleaning and maintenance for your BERNINA sewing machine series. Today we're going to be talking about the BERNINA B9 hook. It's a little bit different. It's kind of a combination of both the rotary and the central bobbin system that the older BERNINAs used. So to start with, you're going to take off your throat plate. You want to make sure that you clean out the fuzz and the extra threads that get caught in the cutters. If these stay there, they can jam your cutter. Then you're going to open up your bobbin case door, remove your bobbin, and then remove the actual hook. This is the BERNINA B9 hook. It has two little spots that need to be oiled, 1 drop of oil on each. These are little wool felt pads that actually lubricate the rocker arms back in the sewing machine. The last thing you need to do is put 1 drop of oil on the shelf where the hook actually sits. The B9 hook is special in that it has a small hole punched in it so that you can see through it. There is also a silver dot on the inside of the sewing machine, and you want to line up the hole in the bobbin case with the dot on the sewing machine. I find it easiest to hold it on my fingers and set it on the shelf, and then I can twist. There is actually a magnet behind there that will grab the hook and pull it into place and hold it in place so that you can close the door and replace your bobbin. Cut your thread with the cutter and you're ready to go. Your BERNINA sewing machine is an investment in your future of sewing, and it will last you for your lifetime if you do just these simple maintenance tips and techniques. Thank you for tuning in and watching, and watch our Facebook page for future technical tips.